Hi everyone, and welcome to Tina's English Studio. I'm Tina, and today we're diving into a practical skill that many English learners find challenging: ordering food at a restaurant in English.
And I'm Mark. This is such an important topic because dining out is one of the most common situations where non-native speakers interact with English speakers in real-world settings.
Absolutely. A lot of people feel nervous when they go to a restaurant in English-speaking countries. They worry about pronunciation, understanding the menu, or making requests. But here's the good news. Restaurant vocabulary and phrases are quite standardized and predictable.
That's right, and don't worry, after this episode, you're going to feel much more confident. We've prepared a realistic role-play scenario that covers the entire dining experience, from arrival to ordering.
Perfect. Mark, let's do a role play now. You'll be the waiter, and I'll be the customer. Everyone, pay close attention to the language we use, the polite expressions, and the natural flow of conversation. Ready, Mark?
Ready. Good evening. Welcome to the Golden Fork. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I do. I have a reservation for 2 people. The name is Tina.
Perfect. Right this way, please. Here is your table. Can I get you something to drink first?
Yes, please. I'd like a glass of water and an orange juice.
Of course. Are you ready to order your food, or do you need a few more minutes?
I think I need a few more minutes, please. The menu looks amazing.
No problem at all. Take your time. I'll be right back with your drinks.
Thank you so much.
Okay, listeners, let's pause here and break down what we just heard. Notice how Tina confirmed her order politely and clearly. She didn't say, "I want water," but rather, "I'd like," which is more polite and appropriate in formal dining settings.
Exactly. And notice the waiter's language, too. He used, "Can I get you something to drink?" rather than, "What do you want?" The phrasing matters in creating a pleasant dining experience. Let's continue the role play.
Good. Here are your drinks. Have you decided what you'd like to order?
Yes, thank you. I'd like to start with the Caesar salad. And for my main course, I'll have the grilled salmon with vegetables, please.
Excellent choice. How would you like your salmon cooked? We offer it rare, medium, or well done.
Medium, please. And could I have the dressing on the side for the salad?
Of course. Any allergies or dietary restrictions I should know about?
Oh, nothing. That's all for me, thank you.
Perfect. I'll get this order in right away. Your food should be ready in about 20 minutes.
Thank you so much.
Now, let's highlight some key phrases from this second part of our roleplay. When Tina ordered, she used "I'd like" and "I'll have," both excellent choices for restaurant ordering.
And she made a special request, asking for dressing on the side. This is very common in restaurants, and servers expect these kinds of requests. Notice how she phrased it politely. "Could I have the dressing on the side?" rather than, "I want the dressing on the side."
Also important, the waiter asked about cooking preferences and allergies. This is standard practice in modern restaurants. If you have dietary restrictions, always mention them clearly and early in your order.
Wonderful points, Mark. Let's continue with the final part of the dining experience.
Here is your Caesar salad. Enjoy.
Thank you. This looks delicious.
Is everything okay with your salad?
Yes, it's wonderful. Very fresh.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. Your main course will be out shortly.
Perfect. Thank you.
Here is your grilled salmon with vegetables. Be careful. The plate is very hot.
Thank you so much. This looks absolutely delicious.
Excellent. Enjoy your meal. I'll check back with you in a few minutes.
Thank you.
So there you have it, folks. A complete restaurant ordering experience in English. The key takeaways are: use polite expressions like "I'd like" and "could I," make special requests clearly, mention allergies or dietary restrictions, and always thank your server.
And remember, most servers are very patient and understanding with non-native speakers. Don't be afraid to ask questions if you don't understand something on the menu. You can simply say, "Could you explain what this dish contains?" Or, "What do you recommend?"
Great advice, Tina. Thanks for joining us on Tina's English Studio. Practice these phrases, and you'll feel confident ordering at any restaurant.
Thanks for listening, everyone. See you next time.